Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and I am super excited to announce that we are almost to 10,000 followers on YouTube. If you follow us and watch our videos, you know that we've put in a ton of work in the last 4 months, putting together more and more videos, answering all your questions about gardening, and we're super excited to hit this next milestone. We are almost to 10,000 followers, and that's because of you guys who are amazing and supporting the work that we do. And so to celebrate this awesome moment for our YouTube history, we're gonna do a giveaway. So we've got tons of really great stuff that we're gonna give away to one random person when we hit 10,000 followers. Okay, so the official way that you enter this contest is you have to comment on this video and subscribe so you're notified anytime we put a video out. Now, what is amazing? What are these amazing things that we're gonna be giving away? We have 20 seed packs of some of our most popular spring crops. Basically, it's a kit of everything you're gonna need to be really successful this spring and summer. So we have flowers, we've got melons, we've got our amazing edible gourds, we have one of our most popular tomato varieties, the rainbow cherry mix. We have wildflower mixes, butterfly mixes, everything that you need to have a beautiful, bountiful garden full of flowers and full of produce for your family to enjoy. So we don't just have seeds, we also have products that are gonna help you succeed and battle pests and other issues. We have our insect killing soap. So this is a safer soap, organic product you can use in the garden. If you're gonna use something, this is a fabulous product to help you take care of aphids, other issues in the garden. We have our Tomahooks. If you don't know what these are a specialized hook that you can use for growing your tomatoes. And for any indeterminate tomato, these are what we recommend to keep your tomatoes up off your ground, much like you see here. Neat, orderly, they're fabulous. If you don't know what these are, check out all of our videos we have on them. Next, we have compostable plant clips. So what's great about these plant clips is they're actually made out of corn. And so at the end of the year, if they get lost in your garden, it's not a big deal, that they will decompose. You don't have to worry about a bunch of microplastics running around in your garden at the end of the year. So these are fabulous. And then last is some shade cloth. So for those of you who are growing in zone 9 and 10 or any area that's really hot, shade cloth is amazing. It is something that has revolutionized the way that we grow produce. It helps us conserve water. Our plants are happier and healthier. Overall, fabulous product. We've got this included in the giveaway. So make sure you comment on this video. Tell us, what do you want to see in the next videos? What do you want to see on our YouTube channel? How can we help you become a better grower? And make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be entered for our 10K giveaway.